Hello guys, Rob here. Welcome into the Hodl EOS channel. If you are new, my name is Rob. Hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell to join the Hodl gang. New details on the BlockOne EOS block producer voting has been released in this most recent article from BlockOne. This article includes how many EOS they will be voting with, the voting criteria to qualify for votes, and a date. So let's jump right into the key points. BlockOne says, we aim to vote for candidates in a rotational manner with no cap on how many total candidates we can vote for over time. We will initially vote with 10 million EOS tokens, which may increase over time at our discretion. So BlockOne will start voting with about 10% of their total EOS stake, or 10 million EOS. And they will do this in a rotational manner with no cap on how many total candidates they vote for. There is 3 criteria that a block producer needs in order to qualify for votes from BlockOne. These include the general location of a node has been disclosed publicly through the BP JSON file. The BP needs to be independently operating an API or P2P node that is publicly queryable, and they need to be running at least version 2.0 or greater. So those 3 are required to receive a vote, but BlockOne is looking at more than that, as they discuss here. They are looking for block producer candidates to send a summary outlining their most valuable contributions, as well as information pertaining to our voting criteria. So not only are they asking for these 3 things from the block producers, but they also want to know what the block producers think are their most valuable contributions to the network. And finally, we have a date. All that needs to be submitted to BlockOne by May 22nd, 2020. So 1 week from today, sometime between May 22nd and the end of May, we will get the votes from BlockOne. But it's definitely nice to know what is required to qualify for a vote. And it's nice to know that they are looking at more than just the qualifications. They are looking to see valuable contributions from block producers as well. B1 has been making some moves on chain as well. Here is their BlockOne account, B1. And you can now see there are child accounts. So the B1 account created Sub1, Signer 3, Signer 2, and Signer 1 accounts. I have not seen any info on these, but if I were to take a guess, it looks like, to me, Signer 1, 2, and 3 will be 3 separate accounts controlled by 3 separate people that will do a 2 of 3 MSIG for the Sub1 account that they will vote on. Now, that's just complete speculation at this point. Maybe each one of these accounts will have different EOS divided among them, and they will vote for different block producers on each. I don't know if we will fully find out until they actually vote or do something else with these accounts, what's actually going on here, but they are making moves on chain. Now, as far as what can that 10 million EOS do, not much in terms of moving block producers into paid or unpaid positions or up from standby to active status. Currently, that 10 million would be enough to move 22 and 23 into paid top 21 positions. And as far as moving block producers from no pay into a paid standby position, 10 million would not do much, if anything. That 10 million wouldn't do anything. If number 68 here got 10 million votes, they would only have 48 million, which is not enough to get them in past EOS Amsterdam with 56 million. Thanks to BlockOne for this update. It's nice to finally see what they're going to be looking at, as well as getting valuable contributions from the block producers to earn the vote of BlockOne. 10 million EOS is a good start for them, 10% of their stake, but no voting is going to happen till at least after May 22nd, 2020, by the looks of their latest release. But that's going to do it for this quick update, guys. More to come out on BlockOne voting once more is known. at least one more week until we get some votes. Are you on the Telos blockchain yet? Telos is an eosio blockchain that offers free accounts, which you can get by visiting the link in the description to this page and clicking the free accounts button. Also, check out the new Telos blockchain news section from the Telos Foundation feed. Lots of big news coming in, including Block Bastards coming to Telos, bringing Unity games to the Telos blockchain. Again, link in the description to this page. Get your free account here. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's it for me, guys. I will see you in the next one.